4 pillars, 1 roadmap, your future in fashion design. You've watched 100 fashion design videos and you saved 100 more. You followed every account that talks about making it in the industry, right? And you're exactly where you started. That stops today. I'm Nino Villa, fashion design creative director, coach, FIT grad, and I've spent my career on both sides of the industry, working at Ralph Lauren and teaching at FIDM, and founded Fashion Premier Academy. Over the years, I built one thing I wish existed when I was starting out. A real structured, guided path. No scattered tips, no vague aspiration, an actual system. It comes down to 4 pillars. First, courses. Step-by-step education that turns your passion into an actual thriving fashion business. And it starts with the free mini course. That's your entry point. No cost, no catch. When you're ready to go deeper, that's where the full Fashion Premier Academy picks up. Second, my YouTube channel. Every week, industry-level content built to teach you something real and keep you moving forward. No fluff, no trends, the stuff that actually matters. Third, the book, Design Your Future, Be a Future Designer. This isn't a coffee table book. It's a working manual for success in fashion and in life. Fourth, the newest one, the app, Become a Fashion Designer. This is everything I know built into a daily guided experience personalized to you. It's powered by intelligent technology that learns where you are, adapts as you grow, and always hands you the next step. No guessing, no overwhelm, just the next right move every single day. 4 pillars, 1 mission, your success. You don't need more information. You've got enough of that already. What you need is to start. So, no overthinking. Start designing. No more excuses. Your first step is free, the mini course. The link is right below this video. Take it today. I'll see you inside.